Hey, good morning YouTube. This is Jimmy with To The Top Crane. We are still at this water pollution plant. I think we're going to be out of here today. Then we'll be off to other things. I'm not sure what we got coming up. I know March 6th we are picking a house. So when I say picking a house, we are going to physically pick up a house with the crane. We will definitely record that, get that posted. But today, I've said in a couple other of our videos, this bridge that runs across from the pedestal to the side. So over here, we got the pedestal right in the middle of this clarifier. Then there's a platform over there by that ladder that the other end of the bridge connects to. So here's our bridge sitting there assembled on the ground. It's about, I don't know, 92 or so feet long, maybe. It's going to be out there a little ways, about 140 some feet. I'm guessing about 144. Alright YouTube, I guess we're ready to set this bridge now. We're going to go nice and easy with it. This thing's fairly long. Don't want to get ahead of the guys that are steering it on the ground. Like we got a total gross weight of about 7,000 pounds.